Hello and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I will be doing a gel polish change. I will be cutting down the nails on my left hand, replacing the silk wrap on my left pinky, and also building out some length on my left pointer finger to kind of match the others. So stay tuned and let me know what you think. Here I'm switching over to my medium arbor band to remove the remainder of the gel polish on the nail because I don't want to continue using my carbide bit and potentially damage my actual natural nail. So that's what I'm doing here. I don't know if you've noticed, but I cannot stand this dust. At this point, I'm really knowing that I need a dust collector, so hopefully I get one soon. I spend a lot of time wiping down my hands, my nails, my clothes, because I just hate the dust all over me. I keep talking myself out of getting one because they're kind of expensive, but I think it's time to get one. Okay guys, so check out my pinky here. You remember on the last video, you could not even see where the crack was on my nail. Here you can see it's made its way basically halfway across my nail and it's still not to the free edge area. So later on in the video you will see me put another silk wrap on my pinky, just trying to hold on to it until it grows out to the free edge. So I added the new silk wrap to my nail off camera, as you see here, and now I'm going to basically just make sure it's secure, buff it into the nail to where you basically can't even tell it's on there, and proceed with the gel polish. So I didn't polish my left pointer finger on purpose. That is because later I'm going to build out the nail to match the length of the others. All right, so now it's finally time to build out this left pointer finger. And lo and behold, there's no more space on my phone, so it turns off. So I only have footage of me getting the form on, and then I took a couple of after pictures. So check it out. Let me know what you think. I think I should have made it a little bit longer, but I think it came out pretty good. Also, let me know in the comments if you like matte polish or if you like shiny finishes better. I don't know where I'm at yet with that one. I think they both look pretty good.